Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and I hope that this video finds you well. Today I'll be sharing with you an unboxing clip of this Chanel mini square bag that I got. I picked this up in December 2021, hence the lovely Christmas packaging that you see here. And since this remains such a popular item, I thought I should share a quick features update plus my first impressions after owning it for about 3 months now. I hope you enjoy this video. And to those who are new here, a warm welcome to my channel. Do click on the subscribe button down below so that I can have you join me on this journey as I share with you my passion for the luxury fashion house Chanel. Can you see a cute fluffy tail wagging in the background? That belongs to my sweetest lovely cat Millie. She will be doing a special appearance very soon, so stay tuned. Hello Millie, say hi to all the lovely people here. Isn't she adorable? She's just looking on so inquisitively. Millie is definitely one curious cat. What is Mama unboxing? And revealing the mini square flat bag in gorgeous lambskin leather. Isn't she a beauty? And that's the Mona Lisa back pocket. This is the light gold hardware. There is a single compartment with a zipper pocket and a slip pocket. This bag is made in Italy and it also comes with the new microchip, which replaces the serial hologram sticker and the authenticity card. While this is a seasonal item, it remains so popular and it always has such a long waiting list for it. Simply because it's got all the elements of the Chanel classic flat bag, but at half the price. It's super adorable yet practical and wearable at the same time because it can really fit a ton. So yes, I'm definitely enjoying this bag and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing and review, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!